Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to open the watch battery cage on a Seiko quartz movement that can be found in a chronograph. You can see that it is going to be a chronograph since we already have 3 coils. Now, something really important when you work on watches, on quartz watches, is to never touch these coils with your pair of tweezers or with a different instrument, because you can actually damage your movement. Now, when it comes to opening the watch battery cage, in order to have access to the watch battery, and you have this plastic ring, so this holder that also let's say helps the chronograph, what we first want to do is to remove it so that we can actually open the watch battery cage. And as you can see, I'm going to open it starting from the watch crown, because I do not want to operate where the coils are. So I'm going to pick it up, I'm going to remove it, and in order to open the watch battery cage, we are going to need a metallic pair of tweezers. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to all the tools that I regularly use in order to work on these watches, and in case you want to watch the full guide with how to replace the watch battery from start to finish, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. And what I want to do is to insert one tip of the pair of tweezers right here in order to push it to the side. This watch battery cage is a little bit bent, so it is going to be a little bit harder. But as you can see, it was opened just like that. And now I have access to the watch battery. When maneuvering the watch battery, especially for new ones, I would definitely recommend to also have a non-metallic pair of tweezers. I'm going to push it back in order to also show you how to close it. So after you have replaced the watch battery, you can push it down. You are going to hear a small click, and that is going to signal the fact that the watch battery cage is closed. In case you want to watch the full guide, once again guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below from start to finish. So how to open the watch up, how to replace the watch battery, do the AC reset, put it back together, and then also calibrate the watch, because the watch hands of the chronograph are going to be misaligned after you have done the AC reset. So guys, in case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. And also, if you want to purchase your first vintage or pre-owned watch, make sure to check out our website, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, I'm going to see you in the next video.